Hi guys, uh, my name is Ayomide and I'm a member of Current Designers. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create 3D objects in Figma. So first of all, draw an ellipse tool. Alright, draw an ellipse tool by clicking on letter O on your keyboard. Change the color. You can just pick any color of your choice. Just pick any color of your choice. Then change it to linear and just change it to any color of your choice. You can just use any color that suits you. Alright. So then reduce the size by scaling it so that its proportion will be still remain the same. So just pick up your pencil, just draw anything. So I'm going to draw something like look at an S. Alright, you see. Then click on done. Then come back to stroke, change it to the size of it to I'm going to be using 5. I don't want to be too thick. Then select the two objects. Select both of them. And then you search for a plugin called blend. Just click on it, blend. So I'm using the shortcut Ctrl P for my plugin. So then come change it to remove the 5, change it back to 600. Let it be on 600 and hit enter. And you see what we have saying, this is a 3D object. So this is how to create 3D object in Figma. It's quite very easy and not so stressful rather than just going to go and download some 3D object in some website. So you can actually have something here on Figma. So that's that. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure you like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.